Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully and welcome back. So here's another project that I've been working on. I didn't film it from the start because it's just me welding some square steel together. And if you haven't seen enough videos on YouTube about people welding steel together, then maybe you should watch more videos on people welding steel together. So I'm gonna pick this project up kind of like once the steel has been welded, and I'm gonna start to add the exterior to this box. Check it out. So there's a local client here that has a kitchen for their employees. And in that kitchen, they have two trash cans. It's a recycled bin and a normal garbage bin. So what they've hired me to do is basically create a box to cover those two trash cans because looking at trash cans is uncool. So in this area, there is going to be a circle cut and a circle cut, and then they can throw their garbage in. They can access the trash cans by opening that door, and when they need to close it back again, well, that's just simply what they do. They close it back again, and it should, there we go, has a magnet on there. I'll probably put some spring hinges just to kind of make sure that that stays closed. So what I'm about to do now is I'm going to add the design detail to it. It's been one of those things where I've kind of gone back and forth about the type of barn wood I wanted to put on here because I couldn't find what I had in mind. So let's see what I come up with next. So all the backer board is now cut for the garbage box. What I'm going to use is a product that I've used on a couple of remodels here in the local area. It's the closest thing that I can get to real barnwood look without having to go track down an old barn or pay outrageous prices for someone else's barnwood. It's a product called Timberwall, and it's kind of a peel and stick wall covering, and I chose the driftwood gray because I kind of wanted that gray wood look. So now, because I don't necessarily trust a peel and stick wood for long-term activity, we're gonna go ahead and pop some nails in here as well. It'll also give it a little bit of character. Okay, so I have a confession to make. In the process of making the trash enclosure, I kind of got hung up on what I was going to do on the top. I tried using some plexiglass and painted the backside with some spray paint and gave it a second coat, and apparently the acetone in the spray paint caused the first layer to bubble up, and that didn't work. So I wiped all that off with acetone, and then I put an enamel paint on there. That seemed to hold, that was really good, and then I used a contact cement to put the plexi onto the top, and apparently the contact cement, because it has also acetone in there, ate through the enamel paint and also caused a problem. So what I ended up doing is I go to a plastics place here in Phoenix. I had them do a gray plastic that they had in stock, something that I didn't have to paint, and then I was able to put the top on. However, because of the frustration that I was having with that process, I just kind of forgot to videotape stuff. So I'm at the point now where the project is done and I'm going to be delivering the box now. So let's just go ahead and catch up there. Before I load the trash enclosure onto the truck, I thought I would give you a quick visual of what it looked like now. That's the acrylic that I put in there that's already colored, so I don't have to worry about it. And we've got the name of the company there. We've got some magnetic holes. Oh, still haven't cleaned up underneath there yet, but there we go. And because I didn't have to worry about the back, that's going up against the wall for at the client's. So let's go ahead and get this loaded on the truck and yeah, get this out of my shop. I know this isn't the best lighting, but thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, then do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button now. And if you have a little extra time on your hands, then check out some more of my videos. We'll see you in the next video.